In this demonstration, we're going to look at configuring the quorum setting on our cluster. Cluster quorum is a critical resource in the failover cluster because if the quorum is lost, the cluster nodes will not respond to client requests. Therefore, we must configure cluster quorum correctly. Proper cluster configuration ensures that cluster resources will be online during the cluster membership changes, such as planned or unplanned node shutdown, network issues, or any other failure scenarios. First thing we want to do at this point here is we just want to see exactly how our cluster is currently configured. So what we'll do is we'll come to our server, and from PowerShell we'll just run a commandlet in order to find out what quorum mode we're currently using. And the commandlet we're going to run at this point here, we're going to run a get-cluster quorum, pipe it, and then what we'll do is we'll select cluster, quorum resource, and quorum type. What we can see here is cluster 1, quorum resource is cluster disk 1, and the quorum type we're using majority. What we want to do at this point here is we want to modify this, and we want to modify it to convert from a disk witness to a file share witness. First thing we have to do is we have to create a file share, and what we're going to do is we're going to do that on our iSCSI target box. So I'll move across the iSCSI target box. And on this box, all I've done is come into File Explorer. What we'll do is we'll just create a new folder. And what we'll do with this folder is we'll just call it FSW for File Share Witness. Hit our Enter key. We'll right click on this folder. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to share it. We'll share it with specific people. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add the Everyone group, which obviously isn't ideal out there in the real world, but this is just for a demo to show us how to set up the file witness share. And then what we'll do is we'll just specify this will be read-write access, and then we'll select our share button. Then we'll select done. Now what we'll do is we'll go back to our cluster server, and now what we'll do is we'll issue the commandlet to convert from disk witness to file share witness. What we're going to run is set-cluster quorum -node and file share majority, and then what we'll do in brackets is we'll specify the file share //lon-serve1 /FSW. So we've got this within our quotes. As we can see, it's now returned back cluster 1 is now using quorum resource file share witness, and that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.